Hello, konnichiwa. I'm KUniko. This is Mother's Day weekend, and I came up with 5 origami gifts for you to fold. And when you make that, it's a precious, priceless gift because you made it. The first one is the notebook. If you don't have color paper, don't worry. Notebook paper is fine. It works. The first one is a book spine. It's one piece and start out from the long side, and this is my scrap paper, so the printed part is on top and the blank side is on the back right now. And from the bottom, just make a fold to anywhere random and do that from the top too. So you are making like double door in the center. Try to have no gap, really nicely matching, but not overlapping, right? And the side edges match, nicely match. So the corner is 90-degree angle, all of them. Please notice I didn't make any center line, folding it in half. This is a very random. All you have to do is matching on the sides. By matching the side edges, this is very nice and even. The lines are parallel. And next step, from right edge to the left, from side to side, you will fold. And this time, you're gonna match the lines and you are folding it in half. This is not a random fold. It's from edge to edge. And this unit, book spine, is done. Let's put it aside because you will move on to the next, which is a book cover. I got the red, and this is 2 pieces. Here's one I got, and you will do very similar. First, just randomly from the bottom, fold it up, and about 2 inches, 3 inches is good. Don't go too much because you will do the similar fold from the top. And this time, you will fold it towards the center and towards the paper edge folded around, just about around the center. But don't go all the way. Leave a gap. It's about quarter inches gap, and nice and even gap, please. It's almost the width of the chopstick or straws. So keep that even, and then from the right to left, side to side, fold it in half. That's one of the book cover done. Let's do one more. I will go with you. First, from the bottom, fold parallel to the folded edge, matching the side edges. The top is the same manners. And please remember, not all the way to the paper edge, but leaving a gap horizontally right here. Then next step, side to side, I do right to left. That works for me. And then make a nice sharp crease. Book cover is done. Set it aside. Grab the next set, which is the pages. He has 3 pages, so I got 3 pieces of papers. They were pink, you will do the same folding. Remember, from the bottom, you do random fold up and keep the 90-degree angle on each corner and leave about a 1/4 inch gap again. And next, side to side, right to left, fold it in half. Make a tight crease, please, and do the 2 more pieces. Again, any size from the bottom, fold it up, and then make it parallel to the folded edge and the edge of the paper, side to side, and right to left, fold it in half. The last one, let's speed it up a little bit. I have a fast forward clip at this point. Here's my 3 pages done. The last but not least, inserts. Grab 4 pieces. They will be pretty much covered, so you can use scrap paper. This is my scrap paper, old my letter paper, and printing side on top, so the blank side is on the bottom. And this time, no gap from the top to the center. I mean, almost the center to the horizontal edge. It's very important to have no gap, so it's like a double door. This is the same way you did with a book spine. From the side, it looks like that. And then make a very flat, nice crease. And turn the model over. Flip. Yeah. It's very important. This set is the only set that's a flip. Turn it over. So please pay attention to that. As a result, you have flaps on the top. Let's do 3 more. No, I'm not folding it half. From the bottom towards the center and makes a no gap and flip and side to side. Here's a 3rd one. These are inserts, and you will need 4 inserts. And we are almost done. 1 more to go. No gap and flip. Oh, I forgot. So flip and fold it from side to side. Done. 4 inserts, 3 pages, 2 book covers, and 1 book spine. Let's assemble. The first, grab the book cover on your left, and on your right, grab the inserts. And the inserts has the shape like mountain. Let me put it that way. And my book cover is like a V shape. So valley shape and mountain shape or tent. So the tent goes inside of the valley, the closest valley, which is the right side of the book cover. The insert is a little smaller because it's got a no gap. Next, grab the page and grab the page in a V shape. You see that in the center vertical line is dent. And that V is mountain tent. So the shape goes like that. And next, before next, let's see what it looks like. Compare that with yours. Is it working? And the next, always insert white one is a mountain. White mountain. Let's remember that way. White mountain goes inside the V, valley. I have a hard time to pronounce valley. V as in Victor. A-L-L-Y. L-E-Y? So the shape goes like that. And next is the second page, which is V shape. It's the white mountain. I'm having a little hard time, so I have to take time, take it slow. Here you go. So the second page went in. Grab the white mountain again. And V shape, V page is gonna eat white mountain. Make sure that is white mountain and V valley page. Almost done. We have only a couple more pieces. Here, the V page eats white mountain. Slide that in all the way as far as you can go. And the shape look like that. If your shape is not like this and not even, your paper might have been stuck at somewhere, so just adjust that. And the last one is mountain. Mountain goes inside of the page, pink page, which is the last page. And here's the last book cover. Have it V shape, dent in the center, and white mountain goes into that valley all the way. As a result, you have the zigzag form like this. It's almost like an accordion. Almost the shape of the notebook when it's flattened. Here the insert and pages. Here's the last piece, the book spine. Look at the insert side, and here's the opening at the very, very end. The yellow book spine goes into the back of the book cover, and opposite side is the same manners. It's a little tricky to put this part. Just take your time and slide that in all the way. And the notebook is done. Here's a spine covered all the back of the inserts and pages. That's it. Not only this is a notebook, you can use it as what do you call it? Like file book. You can put your cards, recipes, receipts, and here's a variation. You can use half size of the paper you used, and that becomes kind of small, nice handbook. And this is a different color variation. Enjoy!